Welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you be live into your Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Instagram application. Firstly, you need to open your Instagram application. And shortly after opening the application, just simply click into this plus button here. Step 2. Select the live from the plus button. After clicking to the plus button, you can see this live button down here. You just simply have to click into that. Step 3. Go live from your Instagram. Now after clicking to live, you can simply apply any of the effects if you want and make other changes too. And after making the changes, you just simply have to click into this button here, and after this you will go live into your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.